Hello and welcome to our video diary. This is a special one because this is our first day for our week's fishing at Anglers Paradise down in North Devon. We're just here at one of the lakes. There's 12 big lakes in this complex, all stuffed with fish, and we are here at the Magic Lake. And if I just sort of turn you around, this is the sort of thing. There you go. Can you see the carp coming up there?
You see their big mouths?
Yeah. Got a few biscuits in. Yeah. All over the place. You just see that coming up. There you go. That's amazing. Yeah. Anyway, so what we'll be doing a video diary every day, and we will be giving you videos of some of the fish that we'll be catching here, and we will be catching a lot of fish, there's no doubt. It's a beautiful day, as you can see, Saturday the 30th of July 2011, and we're here until next week, so looking forward to it very much. So until then, it's from me and them. There you go.
Oh,
look at that. It's tight lines.